Pleasant returns, friends, and welcome to a new season of Idea Defense 101. How's it going? This season, we're going to look at... Does anyone else hear that? Why are you digging up my garden?
Ah! Would you believe I'm digging an irrigation trench?
No, I wouldn't. You're a terrible Monopoly player. Just tell me what's going on.
I filed a patent application for a doodad I invented, and I found this troubling piece of prior art that could jeopardize my application. So I'm burying it under the light of the full moon. No one will ever know.
You realize you are violating your duty of disclosure through these actions, right?
My what now?
The filing of a patent application comes with a duty to disclose to the Patent Office any known information that is material to patentability. Information is generally considered material if it is not cumulative of information in the record of the application and satisfies one of two conditions. It either establishes alone or in combination with other information that a claim is unpatentable, or it refutes or is inconsistent with a position taken by the applicant in regards to arguments about patentability.
If you are that worried about this piece of prior art, I would suspect that it is material.
Put that back. Well, hold on a second. I don't remember ever signing up for this. Who does this duty apply to anyway?
Anyone associated with the filing or prosecution of the patent application.
That's less than maddeningly unhelpful.
It's not as unclear as you think. Essentially, the duty of disclosure applies to each inventor of an application, each attorney or agent who prepares or prosecutes the application, and any other person substantively involved in preparation or prosecution of the application and who is associated with the inventor or any other owner of the application.
You're the inventor of the doodad. You qualify for the duty.
Well, what happens if I don't comply?
The Patent Office can refuse to issue a patent when fraud is committed. A granted patent can also be declared unenforceable if the duty of disclosure is later found to have been violated. No patent for you.
Ugh, fine. I won't bury it and I'll disclose it to the Patent Office. Are you happy now?
You're doing the right thing. Where is this prior art from, anyway?
It was on a public website.
Then how was burying it supposed to help?
Well, that's to say, yes. I'm just going to lie down in this hole for a while.
Okay, but just be aware there have been some coyotes in the area. We'll see you next time.